What's up, everybody? So we got the Pergola Build. We got the concrete slab edition complete. 3/8 redhead anchor bolt. All right, so now once you got your liquid nails in the hole, all you do is just squirt it in there, set the bolt in there just like that. You can use a sledgehammer, rock hammer, framing hammer, whatever you like. Make sure you don't screw this bolt down. Make sure it stays exactly like that, flush or above. Because if you screw it down and you hammer it and you try to get that bolt back off, you're gonna ruin the threads and never be able to get it back off again. So that way you protect the threads right there. And just hammer that bad boy in there. You're gonna get it real close. Once you got it real close, then you're just gonna let it set. Now it's time to tighten this bolt down. It's fairly easy. We're gonna go ahead and get the ratchet to tighten it down, and then we'll be back right back with you. Alright, so once you got the anchor bolt nailed in there, now you're gonna tighten it down. Ours is a 1/2 inch bolt, so we got this power wrench. You can just use a regular wrench, a regular key, whatever you got, and then you just tighten it down till it's snug. There we go. It's nice and tight. It doesn't move nowhere. We're good to go. So continue watching for when we set up the posts, the columns, and then continue building the pergola from there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you. Oh, hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to 5 Minutes of Construction. We're gonna finish showing you how to build a pergola. We've already showed you how to do the slab, so if you look back that way, we've got the post set like we showed you recently in the video, and then we also put the rafters that are going over the top. Now we're gonna stain this, and we're gonna show you guys how to stain. And the reason we're doing this is because we're not gonna stain it while it's up there. We did that just to hold the post in place, get us a little head, get a good look at the design and how everything's gonna come out. But now that we got that all figured out, we're gonna get to staining, and then place all the boards to dry, and then once they dry, we'll continue the building process. So we'll go ahead and show you how to put those boards up, how to do the cuts on those. If you look over there and take a look, those are pretty nice cuts. So it's fairly simple. Description on how you can do that and how to make those cuts and how to do everything else. But for now, come on in and we're gonna show you what we're using on this job. Every job is different. Sometimes we use different stains, but in this job in particular, because of the HOA, so if you're going to plan on building anything, a deck or anything like that, you may have to deal with HOA. So in this case, we're not sponsored by these guys, but this is Wood Defender, the fence and deck stain, 200 series. It's the Sierra, semi-transparent, so it's an oil base. So you're going to need some paint thinner to get your hands cleaned up, clean up your utensils and stuff. So what you simply do is you just get a roller. You can use a brush, whatever you prefer. But in this case, since we're doing a lot, we want to be a little quicker. We're using a roller. So just get a roller, put it in a tray. Make sure you mix your stain before you go ahead and apply it. And you just bring this a little closer to where you're at. I was working on this one over here, so we'll come back over here. Set the tray where you're not going to knock it over or kick it. So in that case, it'll be all the way underneath here. Move one of these rollers out the way. And then roll your roller in there a little, as you can see down there. Just kind of rolling it in there, getting a little bit of stain on there. This stuff goes a long way, so. And you just lightly roll it on there, you know. Just back and forth. If you're missing spots like that, you come back and touch it up. Simple as that. So we're gonna go ahead and continue getting this stain so we can get the pergola built. Alright, we're gonna get back to work. See you guys later on in the video. Hey guys, welcome back. So we got the concrete slab board. That was the patio extension we were working on the other day. If you're looking for behind the scenes on anything we do on pergola building, concrete patio extensions, how to pour concrete, how to build pergolas, look us up on 5 minutes of construction. Sorry about that. 5 minutes of construction by ATX Stone. Link will be below. So we're staining the cedar. This is the cedar. We'll stain this. We got the cross beams coming up. We got the post set. So watch us on YouTube so you can see everything behind scenes. 5 minutes of construction. Everybody have a good day. Talk to you later. All right, guys, check it out. So we're building the pergola. You can see we got the beams up. Got some of the other boards that go across up. Now what we're doing is making sure that everything's level, right? So the way we do this is we do it with the laser level. We make sure this guy turns blue down here. You'll see it. It makes annoying sound. So like, it makes an annoying sound like that. Let me see. Let me turn it back on. And then once it goes beep, that means it's level, right? So I already did that. You can see the line right here. We did that all the way around. And then they're probably going to put a corrugated roof here later on at some point. So we're going to add pitch now so they don't have to do it later on. So we'll add pitch there. We did a 1/4 inch per foot just to let water off of this corrugated roof. So we'll do that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So we're going to continue on. We got the concrete poured. We're starting with the pergola. Continue following along to see the progress. Welcome back, YouTube. So last time we were recording, we did the staining. So we already got that taken care of. We stained them. We let them dry over the weekend, so it's been more than 24 hours. You can see we put a couple more of the rafters that go across up, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to cut the angles on these. So if you look over here, come take a closer look. You can see it's just like a design cut. They're very simple. It's not too hard, so we'll go ahead and show you guys how to do that, right? In our case, it's 140 inches from the edge to the outside. So that's what we did. We measured 141 inches. We left the 1 inch lip over there, so you can see I marked for 1 inch. So that's the overhang that it had, and then we got to 141, and then we squared that away with the square. I had it right here in my pocket. What you do is you just square. Bam, pop a square on it, right? Now, in our case, we're gonna go 16 inches. So the overhang is gonna be 16 inches. So we did, we measured 16 inches, right? Which you can't see right here, but we measured to there. And then once we got that, we set our angle on it. So the angle went like this. And in this case, it went from edge to edge, and we just drew all the way across, and then subtracted the 2 inches from there, and then cutting down now. So that's the way this one looks. This one we marked, sorry, I don't know why I pounded that for. We marked slightly shorter just so you guys can see what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on one of these over here. So go ahead and follow along. Drop my square. So we're gonna move this stuff out the way. We're gonna come back 141 inches. Also, we got the 1 inch mark there already. So we'll come back 141. Which is right here. So they mark 141 inches. And then get my handy dandy square. Square that bad boy off. Over slightly. There we go. And then we're going 16 inches. So you can do this at any size you like. Me, I feel comfortable at this. 16 is a fairly easy number to work with. It's red on the tape, it's easy, it's fast. So whatever is easy and fast is best a lot of times, and that's what we do. So here we go. So there we go. That's the 16. This is gonna be the complete overhang. Disregard that. That's cut off, so that's dropped. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the square. So this is a 45. You can see, and this is the angle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go all the way to the edge. This is very simple. You can't mess this up. You gotta stay on the point here, and then come all the way to the edge here. Oh, I can't because I'm touching that one, that's why. All right, and then once you do that, you mark your line. Now that's the cut. That's gonna be that angle that has. Now what you do is you come over 2 inches. 2 inches. Cut it there. Now there we go. That's gonna be the design. I'm gonna show you guys how to cut that here right now. Let me grab that saw. So here. So let's move this out the way. Move this over here. Let's grab this saw. So you're just gonna grab a regular skill saw. Come on this way to the extension. So you have eye protection on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the drop cut first. looks real good. Now we're gonna cut the angle. Now we cut the edge off. That simple cut is what gets you this over here. Alright, so after you have the cuts on all of your boards, all we do is we pretty much just stack them and trace them, make sure they're all lined up, and then we just do the same cut over and over again. That's what we did here. Now we're going to start to put them up on top. Come a little closer so we can show you how this is done. So all we do is we place these on 16 inches on center, every single one. We measure from the edge over there, and we left a little bit of spacing. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put these all up here. So when it comes time to screw these in, they're in place. They're up here. All you have to do is just move them around. We're gonna go ahead and repeat this process a few more times. And then once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and screw them in. The way we screw them in is, let's say that this is the rafter that's coming across here. We just screw it in here, screw it in here, screw it in. So we add 4 screws to that all the way around, and that gets that taken care of. So continue watching and you'll see how it looks after we get all these installed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know which kind of pergola is your favorite and what you guys do for trades. Have a good one. Hey, good morning everybody. Unfortunately we got rain this morning, so we came to the project to check everything out, so we're gonna see what it looks like. As you can see, that's some water. So let's go out there and see what the job looks like. And all right, so as you can see, it's raining. Well, you can't really see, but the concrete's wet. It's all extremely muddy. So we're not gonna get much done today, but you can see we got some work done yesterday. If you walk around this way, be careful because it's muddy. All these set up, so we got like 4 more to go on the end, and then we're gonna start putting our 2x2s over the top, and then we'll put all our anchor bolts and all that good stuff in tomorrow as well. So don't forget to like us on YouTube, 5 Minutes of Construction by ATX Stone and Landscaping. Like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks you guys. Have a good one.